Hey man, what's up my YouTube family? I know it's been a long time. Bear with me. It's been a lot of changes since the last time y'all really saw me do a tutorial, but we're not gonna focus on that. Today I just did a acne prone beat using a lot of less products, not too much. So stick around and yeah. Period. Let me go and put my wig and jacket on. I appreciate y'all for watching, man. This was such a fun tutorial for me. I have to do two. I have to do the shorts and the regular video. So if you see me looking both ways, that's what it is. But you know, I had to come put my little, shindig on. Just look a little good, look a little cute. Y'all, this is real pretty. But I appreciate y'all for watching. It's going to be more videos because y'all, I really love YouTube. Okay? YouTube University got me with my hair, makeup, and clothing game. So I guess it's time for me to come back. Just, let's spin the block on this. I will see y'all next time. Follow me on IG and YouTube. Subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me, what do you like these type of looks? Because Baby, I can't do the whole thing no more. So I'll see y'all next time. Y'all have a blessed one. Period.